everyone, welcome back to my channel. I thought I'd pick the camera today and show you what a usual day in my life looks like. Nothing fancy, just a real day as it is. I'm starting the day by getting ready for office. After prepping my skin, I always first start with my eyebrows by defining them. Since this is a daily look, I don't go over the board. I just like to keep it light and simple so that it looks natural. Curl my lashes at first before applying the mascara. See the difference curling your lashes make? Can you see the difference? Yeah, my eyelashes are now more lifted and more defined. I'll use the mascara with just a little bit, not going over the board. Yeah, I think we are done with the eyelash thingy. And for the rest of the makeup, I will just apply the lipstick I have. I'm currently using the Mama Earth lipstick in the shade 11. Did you like the shade? Let's put on the earrings. These are very simple, basic pearl earrings that I wear. I don't like to wear earrings that often, but today's the mood. I'll do it. So these are my earrings, and you can see very basic. Since I'm wearing Indian, I'm also going to put the bindi. So this is how I'll be going. Also not to forget some perfume to smell fresh throughout the day. That's a must. Now let's ready my bag to office. First I'll be keeping this notepads, prescription pad, face mask for emergency purpose, my purse, my wallet, my office seal, and my bottle. So my bag to office is ready. Let's go. Key, the house keys. Let's go. वीडियो बनाए आज लॉन्ग ब्लॉग दी